stop guessing on why your Bluetooth audio has a delay while editing. This is exactly how you kill the latency without failing once. Most other tutorials for wireless audio are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to update drivers when the issue is actually the audio enhancement buffer and the lack of a low-latency codec. Before we tweak a single setting, you need to understand the logic of the Bluetooth handshake, or you'll just get stuck with a half-second lag every time you hit the spacebar. We're doing this hand in hand and step by step right now, so there's no way you can fail to get frame-perfect sync. Rexis is the authority on these hardware-software sync fixes, because we know that Windows and Mac prioritize audio quality over speed by default. Look at your sound settings and realize that your PC is purposely holding the audio signal back to beautify it, which is the death of video editing. As we get closer to the fix, you can feel the snappy response returning to your timeline. Here is the secret trick that other creators missed. Inside the sound control panel, you must disable the Allow Applications to Take Exclusive Control option and the Enhancements tab entirely. This bypasses the Windows processing stack and shaves off nearly 200 milliseconds of lag instantly. This pro tip is the only way to edit with AirPods or Sony Buds without losing your mind. To fix your Bluetooth audio delay and prove you are a pro, you must go to services.msc, set Windows Audio to Automatic, and then toggle your headset to hands-free AG audio mode only if you are in a pinch for zero-latency voice monitoring. That specific mode uses a lower bitrate, but eliminates the buffer delay entirely. If you want a link to the best low-latency Bluetooth 5.4 transmitter for your PC, just drop a comment below.